positioned ourselves in the market today where we have a true European footprint. So we have TagNitecrest based in the UK, we have our sister company based in Madrid, and we have a bureau in Poland. Therefore, we're able to cater for all of Europe's card requirements. So much so, our capacity has put us in a position whereby we can now start to rival our Tier 1 competition and put ourselves in a really good position to start servicing more of the Tier 1, Tier 2 banks throughout the UK and Europe. Today's an opportunity to welcome everyone from the Emerging Payments Association to the north, to TagNitecrest. We've recently refurbished our facility, so it's a great opportunity for us to showcase that and to roll out some level of demonstrable capabilities to both customers, potential customers, and industry associates that might not even purchase a credit, debit or prepaid card. Nitecrest have become the go-to card manufacturer in the fintech space, having been born out of the prepaid card market, and today we have a great opportunity to showcase and give thanks back to the EPA members who have supported us, both customers, partners and associate members at the EPA. We're really looking forward to the day.
It's been great to have welcomed the EPA members today. I'd just like to thank Tony Craddock and Kerry from Emerging Payments for getting everybody together and bringing them to EPA Manchester. The tour of the facility today has been really informative for our clients and potential clients. It's been good for them to see our investments. Just to give you an idea, here at the Nitecrest Group, we have invested annually over £1 million in equipment for new technologies and changing in this payments industry. So it's good to share that with the members. We have an operation here that operates 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, and we gear up to 7 days in peak periods. The facility that the members have seen today is capable of producing over 5 million card products each working day. Our biggest year has been around about 1.3, 1.4 billion cards. So it is really a fabulous facility. I'm really proud of what we've achieved here, and I think I can honestly say that we are the leading European card manufacturer.